Welcome to the channel, guys. Today we're going to go in great detail and we're going to be talking about exactly what you need to do and what strategy you need to implement to start your dropshipping business on Shopify. And the best thing is that, guys, you won't need to spend a dime, because what we're going to talk about today and the methodology that we're going to share with you is going to ensure that you can successfully start your dropshipping business without investing anything into it. And obviously, Shopify is one of the best platforms that supports you, guides you, assists you in developing a business that is truly unique. With a global commerce platform, you can build your business, sell anything online, offline, and everywhere in between. And you can discover the reason why millions of entrepreneurs have chosen Shopify to build their business. And obviously, with millions of merchants worldwide, you can select from the strategy, learn from the examples and the mistakes that a lot of individuals tend to make. And it's for that reason we're bringing you those strategies that are successful and the strategies that work. With 170 plus countries represented on Shopify, you will always have someone to buy something from your store. And 10% of the total US e-commerce is on Shopify.com, with an economical activity of $444 billion. That literally means there's a massive cake available, and a piece of it is definitely going to be worth millions. And obviously, from creators, developers, partners, and so much more, your store can actually get developed instantly, and you don't need any coding expertise available, because you have customizable templates that are created by a community of world-class designers. And you can even add more features and functionalities to your store with the apps that's built by the trusted Shopify developers to sell to every buyer everywhere, online or in person and around the world, with the marketing tools and the social integrations that are available. And combining all those elements together, you're able to reach new leads, engage with customers, and build on the data that you get, and overseas operation and fulfill every single order and manage your money where you make it. It is as simple, straightforward, easy as that. If you don't have a Shopify account, guys, don't worry at all. Click in the description below on the link and get your Shopify instantly. Now, the reason why we're making these videos is to give you the best possible strategy to ensure that you can start your dropshipping business with Shopify.com. But the first thing that you need to do is head over to AliExpress.com, because AliExpress.com is the platform where you can find the best bargain prices, especially right now. Christmas is around the corner, with the Boxing Day and Thanksgiving coming as well, and the New Year is just about to start. We can get amazing products at amazing prices, and obviously we can hold on to them and then sell them later on for a massive profit. If you look at some of these products that are available on AliExpress, you can clearly see 45% off, 50% off, 99% off. The new wireless headphone is worth 1 cent, guys. You heard it right. With a shipping of $3.83, you can easily get this product under $5. And obviously, if you hold on to it, you can make a massive amount of money. But the question really comes is that how can you make money without actually investing anything into it? It's quite simple and straightforward. What you need to do is head over to a website which is called fanjoy.co, and this is the place where a lot of creators are available. And obviously, we know something for a fact, guys, that the creators on YouTube, on TikTok, on Facebook, on Instagram, on the social media presence have one thing in common. Their focus is completely on creating content, and they do not focus on creating merchandise. And that is where your Shopify account comes, because you gotta understand, you gotta bring the bread to the butter. And once you do that, you'll be able to create something that is truly unique. And once you understand the aspects of the psychology and philosophy of the content creator, you would be able to harness that power and be able to partner up with them and create amazing amount of content and also merchandise to ensure that you can profitably make business together. And to do that, all you need to do is go and head over and check the creators out on fanjoy.co, and you can see all the individuals that are selling right now. For example, Bobby Mars is actually selling a lot of content that is available, which you can clearly see is available and is being sold at this precise moment in time. Merchandises, phone cases are available, as well as skirts and hoodies. And how do they do it? It's quite simple and straightforward. What they do is they head over to printful.com, the website where you can create and sell custom products online and turn your ideas into premium products that leave a lasting impression. There are no upfront fees and no orders minimum with the 438 premium products. You can make sure that you've got the right product for your customers and obviously for your audience. And what you need to do is absolutely nothing, because the content creator will literally bring the audience to you. How do they do that? It's quite simple. First, what we need to do is select a particular product. What we're going to do is we're going to look at all of these products that are available, then going to head straight up and think about a particular product. For example, a phone case. Once we search for a phone case, we will be able to see all the different products that are available on Printful. Now we can customize every single one of these products. Now what we're going to do is we're going to head over to youtube.com. Now on youtube.com, we will search for individuals that are talking about phone cases. Obviously, that means their channel is about electronics. And if you scroll down, you'll be able to see the different channels that are available and the amount of views that person tends to get. For example, this is a person who is getting 41,000 views. If you click on it, we can head over to their channel and see that they have 495 subscribers. So it's a small channel, but it's got a lot of views. And obviously, what we need to do is click on the about and get the information about who this person is. And obviously, for business inquiries, you can view their email address. They have 57,528 views. Now, each one of those individuals could be your potential customer. So instead of going and starting your YouTube channel and advertising your YouTube channel and bringing people in and starting it that way, all you need to do is find an individual that is already talking about those products. And then what you need to do is email them, get in touch with them, drop a business email, and mention to them that you are a person that are going to change their financial circumstances. And you'll be able to sell merchandise on their behalf on your Shopify. And what they need to do is talk about different electronic programs and link your account to their YouTube channels. And obviously, whenever someone wants to buy a particular product, all they need to do is go and click in the description below on the link and be able to find your shop and buy it from Shopify. It is as simple, straightforward, and easy as that, guys. Once you combine all these elements together, once you combine all these factors together, once you combine these methodologies, you'll be able to create something that is truly unique, something that truly stands out. And obviously, that would make you money at the end of the day. One of the major things that you have to keep in mind whenever you want to start dropshipping is the fact that the amount of research that you do, amount of psychology that you study, the amount of consumer ideology that you explore, and combination of all those elements, you'll be able to truly find the niche and create a business that is everlasting. If you have any questions, guys, do ask me in the comment section below and I'll be more than happy to answer them for you. If you've not subscribed to the channel, guys, go ahead, subscribe to the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon. Share this video with your friends and with your family so more people can find out how simple, straightforward, easy it is to start Shopify without investing anything into it and start a successful business at the same time. Stay tuned for our next video. Until then, take care.